Inbound 2B from the Plymouth Road Park and Ride to Plymouth Mall. From the park and ride stand, you're going to proceed forward, make a right turn to exit the parking lot. Then you're going to make an immediate left turn onto Plymouth Road. Making our left turn onto Plymouth Road. We want to continue straight on Plymouth Road, crossing Green Road. On the right hand side we have the Plymouth Green crossings, many stores and outlets. It's also home to a branch of the Thomas Cooley Law School. Continuing across Green Road, stop approaching. Please remember to adhere to all Ann Arbor crosswalk laws. Yield the right of way to any pedestrians in a marked crosswalk. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is Huron Parkway. We want to make a right turn at the Speedway here at Huron Parkway. Making our right at Huron Parkway. There are no stops on Huron Parkway. We will continue until we reach the roundabout. Through the roundabout, we will be making a left turn onto Nixon Road. As we make our left turn onto Nixon Road, we're approaching the Stall bus shelter at Plymouth Mall. This concludes the inbound 2B from the Plymouth Road Park and Ride to Plymouth Mall.